Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic quinoa. First, measure 1 cup of organic quinoa. Next, place the quinoa in a fine mesh sieve. Rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for at least 30 seconds. This crucial step removes saponins, which are natural coatings that can give quinoa a bitter flavor if not washed away. Proper rinsing ensures a clean, mild taste for your delicious meal. Now that your quinoa is perfectly rinsed, it's time to cook. For every 1 cup of quinoa, you'll need 2 cups of liquid. You can use water, vegetable broth, or chicken broth for added flavor. Pour the liquid and quinoa into a saucepan, then add a small pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, ensuring it's bubbling vigorously before moving to the next step. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer gently for exactly 15 minutes. It's important not to lift the lid during this time, as the steam is essential for proper cooking. After 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat but keep it covered. Allow the quinoa to rest for another 5 minutes. This helps it absorb any remaining liquid and become perfectly fluffy. Finally, remove the lid and use a fork to gently fluff the quinoa. You'll see how light and separate the grains are, ready to be enjoyed. Serve your perfectly cooked organic quinoa as a healthy side dish, a base for a grain bowl, or mixed into salads. It's versatile and delicious. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it for their comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.